Fond du Lac Fire Rescue also treated a construction worker who was electrocuted this morning. Fire officials say crews treated the man who had been holding onto a pole which accidentally came into contact with a primary electrical line. It happened at around 8:15 this morning at a home on Forest Circle. The fire chief tells Local 5 the worker was knocked to the ground, had tingling in his fingers and chest pain, but after he was assessed by EMS crews, he refused to be transported to the hospital and went back to work.